Assalamualaikum. My name is Aishat Malaaika Ali. Today I am going to recite a poem named Mother. If I could give you diamonds for each tear you cried for me, if I could give you sapphires for each truth you helped me see, if I could give you rubies for the heartache that you've known, if I could give you pearls for the wisdom that you've shown, then you will have a treasure, Mother, that would mount up to the skies, that would almost match that sparkle in your kind and loving eyes. But I have no pearls, no diamonds, as I'm sure you're well aware. So I'll give your gifts more precious, my devotions, love and care. Jazakumullah khaira.